Terms apply. Visit wellsfargo.com/deposit disclosures for fees and details.
Or calling first.
Do they have Choose the care that you first. Choose Fusion Rehab and Wellness. FusionPTA.com. It's the most
They should be there. No, they're not fucking there. Damn it! Mother! Yeah, I just had a fucking... Whoa, what the... Whoa, what the... Motherfucker weeping. Dirty Diana, singing and dancing all in the rain. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Lord, Jesus. God damn it!
Call 911.
Calling emergency services. Calling now.
come on, man.
Than anyone in my family, and I think he also felt really grateful to my mom that we took him in. He was so gentle, and he would take me to do things, and when he said he was going to do something, he would do it, and he didn't disappoint. I really built a strong relationship with this kid. We really were like a family. So we moved to Oregon, and in moving to Oregon, after the
Recorder, one patient diary. What the So we're gonna go to court and get cigarettes. Is this court?
Is that?
Is this court?
Hey, pull up there, quick.
Why? What's he doing?
I want to see what his problem is.
What's
Go
he
ahead.
doing?
He's yelling. Slow down. What's your problem?
Hey, you pulled out in front of me!
Hey, slow down. Hey,
Pull out in front of me! Why do I get
hey, you mother. You know what? Okay, get his license. I got him on camera.
Yeah, we do.
I got you on camera, mother. Hey,
We
listen,
got you on
you don't
camera.
call my wife a
He's a dumb pulling out in front of a and dropping a rag like that.
mother.
Driver.
Shut up!
Hey,
Don't you tell me to stop.
Do
I'm
something.
calling 911.
Yeah.
I
I got you on camera.
You drove
Listen.
right now on a active.
Fuck you, I got you on camera, man.
Help! Help! Oh my God! Help! You're a
You're a
stop, you
road
cunt.
rage
Let me
lunatic.
get your ass. Let me get your license
Yeah, I'll
plate.
pull my pistol out, blow your head
License
off.
plate.
Sir, I got him on camera.
I live right down here. Follow me.
I knew that was gonna happen. Come on, seriously? Hey. God.
Moron! You stupid moron! You stupid goddamn